Every major technological leap in history has been defined by a single resource. In the 21st century, that resource isn't oil or gold. It's silicon, specifically the chips that power artificial intelligence. The race for AI dominance is now a geopolitical battlefield. We have a major escalation. The US government has reportedly blocked Nvidia from selling its latest scaled-down AI chips to China. This latest move, targeting a product known as the B30A chip, is a sign that the AI Cold War is heating up, defining who gets to build the next generation of LLMs and advanced AI. Now, this isn't the first time the US has imposed tech export controls, but the reason this one is so controversial, and the key piece of information that makes this chip special, is something you definitely don't want to miss. We'll dive into the technical details shortly. What happened and the loophole. The White House has informed federal agencies they will not allow Nvidia to proceed with sales of the B30A chip to China. Why this chip? After previous stricter restrictions, Nvidia got creative. They engineered a new line of chips that are scaled-down versions of their most powerful products. They intentionally dialed back the performance just enough to theoretically comply with the US export limits. It was a calculated technical loophole. But the US administration's reported stance is clear. They believe this new chip, while scaled down, is still powerful enough to be a strategic asset for the competition. And for China, these chips are crucial for training massive, sophisticated AI systems, the large language models that define current capability. The crucial technical detail. Here is the essential piece of information that makes the B30A so valuable, and why the US is blocking it. AI training isn't about the raw speed of a single chip, it's about parallel processing. A single chip isn't enough to train a massive LLM like GPT-4. You need thousands, connected in massive clusters. The B30A's secret sauce and its value is not in its raw power, but in its efficiency in these clusters. While it has less power per chip than a top-tier H100, its design allows it to communicate and work together efficiently across thousands of units. It is the interconnectivity and communication bandwidth that makes the difference, and this is what the US is trying to restrict. This efficiency is the true threat to the ban's intent. Why this ban matters and the future outlook. This isn't just a business problem for Nvidia. It fundamentally shapes the future of AI. The US strategy is simple: starve the competition of the highest-end computing power. By limiting access to Nvidia's best-in-class GPUs, the US is attempting to slow down China's progress in advanced military applications and future economic dominance driven by AI. Nvidia, a company that stated it has zero share in the general data center market in China, is now forced back to the drawing board. They are reportedly modifying the B30A's design again, hoping to create a version that finally satisfies the US restrictions. But there's a critical counter effect. The more the US restricts foreign tech, the more aggressively China will invest in its own domestic chip industry, known as Made in China 2025. This pressure accelerates China's self-sufficiency efforts. Ultimately, this latest move confirms that AI chips are no longer purely commercial products. They are national security assets. The line between a civilian LLM and a military-grade AI is becoming increasingly blurry. The AI chip war has only just begun. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss our follow-up video when Nvidia releases its next, even more watered-down chip.